Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail on the YouTube app on either iPhone or Android. So let's go to YouTube. This is it. This is my YouTube channel, Dane Rax. It's my other YouTube channel. So if you go, in order to go there, you need to go to the U here on the bottom right part of your screen, and then what you have to do is to go over to your videos down here. And then we're checking out our shorts video. So we have to click on shorts like here. So I have only one shorts video, but that's more than enough to show you the tutorial and to show you how to do it. So to be able to change the thumbnail is quite limited. You can't really change the thumbnail to a custom thumbnail at least, but you can change the thumbnail. So once you come over here to edit video, you click on the pencil icon on the top right corner just next to the thumbnail, and then now you can just go over the video and choose a part of the video that you want to set as your thumbnail. For instance, I'm gonna be changing it to this part here, and then I'm just gonna add text by clicking on the text on the right side. You can even add filters if you want. That's up to you. I set that to like that. Add the text. Maybe I could set it to like Black Clover is back, something like that. Set it there. Maybe add some outline by clicking on that, or whatever you want it to look like. You can change the color. I'll make it look like that, make it bigger. And then once you're done, you just need to click on the check icon on the top right, and then it'll look like that. If you think that's good enough, then just click on save, and you should have your thumbnail, your YouTube Shorts thumbnail changed, and now it looks like that. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.